Good morning. It's Monday, June 26, 5:45 a.m. Central Time. I'm Philip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. Give you a precious metals minute here. So looking at the precious metals across the board, they're sharply higher. You got gold up about $12 here. Trade at 1942. You got silver up 47 cents. That's a 2% move there at 22.83. You got copper unchanged at 9.80. Platinum up 12 at 9.35. So, obviously over the weekend you had this Russia coup attempt. Putin was challenged. If that would have happened during the regular trading session, it would have been a lot of volatility in the market. So kind of blessed on one hand that it only happened on a Saturday, and then also we probably could have taken advantage of some of those moves, lightening up some positions as they would have had some big swings in the market here, adding and taking off. So we're going to want to monitor this for a re-escalation. I mean, I know that it seems like it's really been buried here at the moment, but internally, this could be like the tip of the iceberg with Russia. It could be the formation of civil war, other people challenging. Who knows what's going to go on over there? All I do know is that any of the commodities that are directly tied to Russia here were sharply higher overnight. Also, you saw a risk-off trade with U.S. equities lower. You've got Treasury yields, they're lower. So there's a bid where people are going into things like bonds, notes, 2 years. They're looking for those safe haven plays. What that does is that weakens the dollar index. It boosts things like gold, silver. And then you have this other type of play where China continuing to weaken. So your key themes on that are look at the Australian dollar, that's weaker. Look at U.S. equities, that's weaker, and look at the only metal that is basically unchanged on a day, which is copper. So those are the ones that are most linked to China. You also have some push and pull with the crude oil market shot up quite a bit, and now it's starting to pull back here. I think crude oil is forming more of a base and more of a floor on the market. All the commodities that are specifically Russia related and any kind of threat to re-escalation. So that does give the crude oil at least a positive tilt on the market, but you do have the wheat market leading the charge up just under about 3% right now, up 21 cents. That's 767 on the September contract. Also, your platinum up 15. That's been a total dog, but the seasonal did end there. And your palladium market up about 30. Natural gas pushing up higher too, up about 1%. That's the big mover on the energy front. So nothing big coming out today here. Tomorrow and Friday, we're gonna have some CPI data from a couple different countries out there. And then we're going to kind of want to monitor where ETF flows go on the precious metals. So gold's had 4 straight weeks of ETF outflows, biggest kind of drawdown since November. And, you're going to want to see if, hey, maybe things are going to change and we're going to start to go up here. I really think that the Fed, I don't think they got 2 rate hikes in them. I think maybe they got 1, but we'll see because they're going to take a precursor from what these other countries, they have hotter CPI, do they raise, just like we saw Canada and also the U.K. So you got any questions? Be sure to like and subscribe to these videos. Help us grow this channel out. We're trying to cast a wider net here, get more people on our research. There's a free trial on the research here. Sign up link below, so make sure you do that as well. Got any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trade does involve risk and loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.